Have you been feeling tired, low in energy, or just not quite yourself lately? It could be more than just a busy schedule or lack of sleep. You might be missing key micronutrients your body needs to function properly. Micronutrients are vitamins and minerals that we only need in small amounts, but they have a big impact on our health. They support things like brain function, energy levels, immunity, and even your mood. Even in Australia, micronutrient deficiencies are more common than you might think. And they often go unnoticed for months or even years. Let's take a look at some of the most common deficiencies in Australia. Number 1 is iron. Iron helps carry oxygen in the blood. Low iron can cause tiredness, pale skin, and shortness of breath. It's especially common in women, vegetarians, and teenagers. Next is vitamin D. This vitamin is made when our skin is exposed to sunlight, and it helps keep our bones strong and supports the immune system. Even though Australia has plenty of sunshine, many people still don't get enough, especially those who work indoors or use sunscreen regularly. Vitamin B12 is another important one. It keeps our nerves and blood cells healthy. B12 deficiency can lead to fatigue, brain fog, and even nerve problems. It's more likely in older adults and people following vegan or vegetarian diets. Folate, or vitamin B9, is crucial for cell repair and growth. It's especially important during pregnancy to prevent birth defects, but low folate can affect anyone. Then there's iodine, which supports thyroid function. Without enough iodine, you can feel sluggish, gain weight, and develop a goiter. Iodine deficiency has made a bit of a comeback due to changes in diet and salt use. Zinc and magnesium are also worth mentioning. Zinc supports your immune system and helps with healing. Magnesium plays a role in muscle and nerve function, energy production, and even sleep. So how do you know if you're missing something? Some signs to look out for include constant tiredness, brain fog, low mood, brittle nails, frequent colds, or muscle cramps. The good news is, most deficiencies are easy to correct. Start by eating a wide variety of whole foods, plenty of colorful vegetables, fruits, whole grains, lean proteins, and dairy or dairy alternatives. Limit highly processed foods, as they tend to be low in nutrients. If you're not sure what you might be missing, a blood test through your GP can help identify common deficiencies. And if needed, supplements can be useful, but only if recommended by a health professional. Gut health also plays a big role in how well your body absorbs nutrients. So don't forget to include fiber-rich foods and fermented products like yogurt or kefir. To wrap up, micronutrients might be small, but they have a big effect on your daily energy, mood, and long-term well-being. If you've been feeling off, don't ignore the signs. Check in with your diet, speak to your doctor, and make sure you're giving your body what it needs. Thanks for watching.